So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your IRS ID.me account in just minutes, and it will be a full setup guide. So how to do this, let's get started. First, what you need to do is open your Google Chrome or any browser you like, and then search for irs.gov, and then scroll down a bit and then click on sign into your account. Once you do this, you'll be loaded into this page. Just click on this individual sign into online account, and then scroll down a bit and then click on id.me create an account. After this, just go over to the process, just do whatever this says. Just enter your phone number and they'll send a 6-digit code. Just enter the code here and then just verify everything. Just click on generate recovery code, then click on self-service, and then just go through every other step they take you. After this, verify your identity, and once they verify your identity, you will be loaded into this page. You have to just click here and then select federal tax, and you can leave this box blank and then just submit it, and then this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.